Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau with the National Weather Forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 9th of May. Starting with the synoptic weather pattern, straight away we can see this big high pressure system dominating our weather, moving from the Bight towards Victoria during the day. Now that is giving us very settled weather across Australia. However, it is pushing some showers onto the west coast of Tasmania, and over in the east, these strong southeasterly winds are driving showers and rough seas along northern coast of New South Wales and also almost the entire coast of Queensland. Over in the west, we do have a cold front approaching and also this west coast trough. The main impact of that is going to be pulling northeasterly winds, giving heat along the west coast. So starting with Queensland, we can see these showers along the east coast. We also see rough seas and strong to gale force winds along the coast. However, further inland, we've got mostly sunny conditions with temperatures generally close to average. However, we are seeing that ongoing flooding in the southwest. Brisbane's heading for a top of 24 degrees with a possible shower. Down in New South Wales, those showers along the coast once again, more frequent north of about Sydney. We also have those strong winds and rough seas along the north coast. However, in the south, some morning fog and frost patches, and then generally settled conditions, particularly inland with lots of sunshine. Sydney's heading for a top of 21 degrees with showers, more likely over coastal suburbs. Canberra, a cold start, -2, but then a sunny top of 19 degrees. Down in Victoria, very settled conditions, morning fog and frost patches throughout the state, and then lots of sunshine. Maybe just a little bit of cloud or perhaps a shower along the far south coast, places like Wilson's Prom and Cape Otway. Melbourne's heading for a sunny top of 19 degrees. Down in Tasmania, those showers being pushed onshore in the west, but across the rest of the state, just a partly cloudy day, maybe some morning fog, frost patches through inland parts. Hobart heading for a top of 18. In South Australia, very settled weather once again, some morning fog and frost patches in the southeast and also about the Eyre Peninsula. And then we're looking at a mostly sunny day with temperatures near or above average. Adelaide heading for a sunny top of 22. Over in the west, the theme of warmth and sunshine continues. We have very settled conditions. This west coast trough dragging northeasterly winds down, giving us warm to hot conditions over the west coast. We do have the slight chance of a shower along the very far southwest coast very late as this cold front approaches. We're expecting another warm day in Perth, a top of 32 degrees and sunny. And finally, through the north, a few showers over eastern Arnhem Land with those onshore winds. However, otherwise we're seeing very dry and settled conditions across the rest of the Northern Territory and northern WA. We've got fresh and gusty southeasterly winds pushing through. Darwin heading for a top of 34 degrees and mostly sunny. Could be partly cloudy in Alice Springs and a top of 25. And that's it for our weather update. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings for your location on the Bureau's website and our app, and we'll see you in the next update.